Welcome to another video. Today is the information the Scorpio VLS, the Indian car, the Mahindra and Mahindra, the how to diagnosis the ABS system, anti-lock braking system, the full ROM. This is the diagnosis sheet. The table, the index, term index stuff of DTC. Any DTC is coming your system, so you check this video. I think the pro- problem solve your car. Let's check. First of all, index does not is very important. There is the start. The main things. If there is the have the left side is the index of DTC's code. If there any DTC come your system, you check here, and I think there is probably for car problem solved. You check there the 100 is WSS open left wheel speed sensor WSS full from is that check the mainly problem is the Mahindra car is any front or left and rear ABS sensor wheel speed sensor is the missing, the cart here not working properly. Then there are something more code, the all code there an ABS system there, only ABS. Brake base 1832 is the brake fluid sensor open the brake fluid. ABS motor is locked. 100 is locked. Then the wiring diagram. How to working ABS here. I am zoom the video PDF video. You check properly, okay? And if you when you working the screenshot their video and you check. And pin, this is the ABS control connector or the pin number. ABS connector. There have the ABS troubleshooting. DTC if your system is coming 100 is the error description WSS open left ABS light on. What is the problem? The possible causes. The wheel defective wheel speed sensor, defective wiring harness or two wheel speed sensor, and defective microprocessor for printed electrical pins bent is the wiring cutting. The anything is happen. You check the properly, then you diagnosis. This is the system how to check. The wiring ignition switch on, remove the ECU connector and sensor connector. Then you check quantity and wiring harness between sensor and mating connector and electrical control unit. If yes, so there is the check the left side. You know the wiring harness, change the wiring, replace the wiring harness. Okay. Then the same code is the all impossible causes. The proper the how to There is all the different code is not the same different code is 80981804. The all are different codes. Under proper performance, under normal condition is the wheel speed signal are proportional is can be used the ABS and DRF function. The wheel speed sensor is not mounted correctly. If the wheel speed sensor is not mounted, if there is a problem is coming. You check properly what is the first time you use the connect the system and Mahindra and software. Any Maxis any scanner is connect the car and check what is the main problem now. There is the 180D the WSS dropout front right. Problems the other problem the terminal warning near sensors. The 180F the mismatched tire. So anytime that generate considers the difference apparent wheel rotation speed. Since the different size tire is on the vehicle is come out the red assembly. If there the tires need properly sized, so same problem is coming. ABS light is on. It get the integrate to the stance tool and tap the vehicle, check the speed and do the switch on. There the ABS transistor the 1810 solenoid open ISC front left. ABS effective of DTC. The ABS lamp on, parking brake lamp off, ABS status practically active. Just all the DTC left side. What is the main error? Solenoid is not working. Damper front left and possible causes defective solenoid driver EATF defective microprocessor printed issue. And solenoid valve front left 180 AC. When you see the video, you check the first time the what is coming for your scanner DTC, then this code or is coming, then check the number. Right side is the number 61 page 23 page. You check then only this time video. Is the proper is time you manage. Don't waste your time. Okay. If you learning the full video, you see nothing not. There's the one code, the 1828, the power switch open, ABS lamp on, parking lamp on, ABS inactive, DRP status inactive, possible causes for defective power switch, microprocessor part the printed port issue. The issue if there is issue faulty then code is first time you check what is the problem man. How to check the ignition switch off, the ignition wait 60 seconds, switch the ignition switch on and check the error and healer. If no, there replace ECU assembly. We check there how to check the at the sorry guys, 131. Speed sensor. Replace issue. It's a micro 182D, the microprocessor ROM failure. ABS library. ROM is the more important is the ABS system. Defective Microsoft processor. Ignition 133 TTC. The ignition voltage supply low. ABS light on. First time you check the battery, then battery is good. Check other malpass fault is the if ignition voltage supply less than 10 volt for 100 millisecond. Check the battery cables and earthing ground. Properly check first time. Okay. The PT183C brake pedal switch is the common problem in Scorpio. Brake pedal switch is a continue the light is brake light is continue is on. So is problem is customer problem is not pick up my car and not accelerated. The 1828, the 2 count failure out of range is the main the signal possible here being corruption NVR MCO incorrect tooth count tooth in not programming. The issue fault is the main. guys. I will all the pages I continue the 1 second is the holding, then I changes. If you problem, then you screenshot there. Okay. They finish the last page is not there. 61 page. Okay. Okay guys, see you next video.